Alright, this little product demonstration of a Lockpick installed in a 2007 Dodge Ram with the MyGIG radio fitted into the, or actually replacing the REC nav. This is a RER, low-speed MyGIG, and the Lockpick device is converting it over to be used with this vehicle. Just a quick little demonstration of how it works and the features of the Lockpick. So I'll turn it on, actually even start the truck. And so right now we have the basic radio functions, AM, FM, SAT, which is not hooked up right now. I don't have the new antenna for it. So there's FM, AM, and you can hide the list. It'll show a little picture of whatever you want to put up there. Then you can also go to the other functions. We have hard drive, and we've got about 500 songs on here right now. We have BES, which is hooked to this iPhone right here. And we can control the music from the iPhone. And we also have disc, which we have a DVD in here. We can view the video. And the functions of the Lockpick will actually let you use video in motion. So I'll put it in gear. You can see on the speedometer that we're moving. So we still have video functions while in motion. And then one of the other cool features is the backup camera, which I'll show you in one sec. I installed the Lockpick backup camera, so when we put it in reverse, it throws a backup image on the screen. And you can see as we move, it moves with us. And you could also use the backup camera on demand.
You connect phone.
And it'll throw the backup image, and we can even go forward.
Available options are call, file, phone book, mobile, emergency, towing assistance, or Uconnect phone setup.
And I don't have the Uconnect
Available options are call, file, phone book, mobile, Uconnect phone.
Cancel that. And there's video again. So just some of the cool little functions of the Lockpick. There's a harness. This vehicle is factory equipped with Uconnect, so there's an additional harness that's required to hook up the old microphone and bypass the current Uconnect module, because the MyGIG actually has one built in. Other functions here. Move this guy and show you. And there's a radio a little bit closer. Here's the iPhone, which we'll go back over here into the iPhone, full volume, and we'll go over to VES, which is the rear seat entertainment. And if I had the proper cable for it, we would also get video off the iPhone. So if there was video being outputted in NTSC, it would display on the screen here. So let's get rid of that, hide video, and pretty cool.